when you're walking through the park, especially in a greenery area, careful, there is a many things for the deer shits on green carpets, deer leads on green carpets. So whenever you walk carefully. And I'm at like a heritage place. If you see there, I'm not on that high, but still again I will try to showing you something. This is the real heritage in Bradgate Park. People are enjoying that corner, so I don't want to disturb them, but still I will panning my camera. Far away there's a deer, and last corner, that's Peacock side. People are going that side. Where's the peacock? Some of them coming with the kids. During the lockdown, this is a really nice place to spending with the family and friends. Well, I don't have that much information regarding of this structure, and I will be try to find out from the visitor center. There is a visitor center in front of the area. I will show you later on. Maybe they will be help me out for what kind of heritage this ones, but you are not allowed inside because this is a special maintenance structure, and they will be doing something here. I don't think they're doing, but that's mentioned something. There's an entry to prohibited, no unauthorized entry. So I don't think so I can go that side, but I can showing this building. I'm coming nearly halfway, and still people is here. There's a lot of people enjoying. There's a huge park, huge park. If you see the far way, the people sitting over that side, and that hills, and this side, and the far away other corners, and only just from the one way. As mentioned, no authorized entry. Do not touch. Someone take it off these stones. Try to capture from there what exactly trying to say there. Be aware. 16th centuries runs, and such have unprotected drops. Please do not touch drops surface, and there are hazards. Yes, that's dangerous actually. This is the small canal. My plan to go that far away, the hill, the jungle over there, like a bunch of trees. I'm planning to go over there, but still I have to walk nearly more than half a mile. Let's try to walk, and if I cross that jungle, then I can reach maybe over that side car park as well. So I have to walk way basically, but I will be try to rough way roadside, and I'll try to reach over there. Finally, I'm not reaching over there, but I have to walk still to left to walk because of I'm halfway now for a hill, and still I'm keep walking where I'm passing from that visitor center, and two visitor center 2 up there. If you wish to come Bradgate Park, but make sure don't forget water bottle, some energy drink, and some snacks, because it's a huge park, so you cannot go back to car parking area, and you can grab that your stuff. better you can keep with you a small carry bag, yeah, maybe your backpack, so easy for you and everyone, because it's not meaning to spending extra time to going back and come back. Maybe 20 minutes you have to go back and 20 minutes come back, so it's too much time to take time. I'm finally up here, so now you will see that view. You can see that right from my backside. There's a huge walking from top to bottom. Somehow I'm reaching up here, then I'm trying to going down, and it's quite a rough way. It's not like concrete one, it's a rough way, so you have to, when you're walking, careful. If you have a without grip shoes, careful when you going down, especially because of it's not like that kind of solid concrete. That's the rough one. So you can see it's not a solid, it's a rough one, but it's good, not that bad. People are still coming. Totally greenery, bunch of tree, total jungle. If you want to enjoy the nature, must come to visit this place. Very nice place, greenery. You will breathe very nicely, fresh air. And this is the most important part of the life. Daily basis, if you're a hectic schedule, and then finally if you have a weekend and if you want to spending with the family, good quality time, that is the right place to spend. Right place, Bradgate Park is right place to spending with your family and friends. You can enjoy your whole day. You can spending a good time with the family. So I will definitely recommend it to people. Must come and visit this place. It's a free of charge. Just you have to pay parking amount. Weekdays if you're coming, then you will be whole day £3, and if you're weekend, the whole day is £4. It's worth it, I believe, because of the few people is coming in the car. Then definitely worth it. If you think this video is good, then like this video, comment this video, and subscribe this channel, please. I hope everyone like this video, because it's a very unique place to visit, and I hope you like this concept, especially for Bradgate Park one, the one day outdoors with the family and friends. So please guys, one more time, if you like this channel, then please subscribe the channel and keep watching Sunlight. Thank you very much.